Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we will learn and solve exercise 7b, questions 1 to 8, chapter 7, and chapter name is Introduction to Algebra of class 6 of Composite Mathematics textbook. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. Let's get started and solve some questions. What we will learn today? Today we will learn and solve exercise 7b, questions 1 to 8 of Composite Mathematics textbook of class 6, and chapter name is Introduction to Algebra, and topics are algebraic expressions, substitutions, and evaluation of expressions. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 1. Question number 1 is evaluate the given expression for each value of the given in the following table. We have given the expression and we have to evaluate the expression with the following values. The first expression is n plus 3. If n equal to 2, the expression will be, we have to substitute the value of n, that is 2, in the expression. So we get 2 plus 3, that is 5. So value of the expression when n equal to 2 is 5. When n equal to 3, we substitute n equal to 3 in expression. N is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. The value of the expression when n equal to 3 is 6. If n equal to 0, substitute n equal to 0 in the expression, we get 0 plus 3 is 3. The value of the expression n equal to 0 is 3. If n equal to 1, substitute n equal to 1 in the expression, we get 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 is the value of the expression when n equal to 1. Second bit, 2n. We have to substitute the value of n equal to 2 in the expression 2n. 2 multiplied with 2 is 4. 4 is the value of the expression 2n. 2 multiplied, if n equal to 3, the value of the expression will be, substitute n equal to 3, we get 2 multiplied with 3 is 6. N equal to 0, the value of the expression is 2 multiplied with 0 is 0. N equal to 1, 2 multiplied with 1 is 2. 3n, third bit, 3n plus 2. 3 multiplied with 2 plus 2 is 6 plus 2 is 8 when n equal to 2. And when n equal to 3, expression will be, value of this expression 3n plus 2 will be 3 multiplied with 3 plus 2, that is 9 plus 2 is 11. And when n equal to 0, value of the expression is 3n plus 2 is 3 multiplied with 0 plus 2, that is 2. And if n equal to 1, value will be 3 multiplied with 1 plus 2 is 5. And fourth bit is n square. When n equal to 2, n square is 2 square is 4. When n equal to 3, n square is 3 square is 9. When n equal to 0, n square is 0 square is 0. When n equal to 1, n square is 1 square is 1. And fifth bit, 10n minus 3. When n equal to 2, value of the expression is 10 multiplied with 2, 20 minus 3, 17. When n equal to 3, value of the expression is 10 multiplied with 3, 30 minus 3 is 27. And when n equal to 0, value of the expression is 10 multiplied with 0 minus 3, that is minus 3. When n equal to 1, value of the expression is 10 multiplied with 1 minus 3, 10 minus 3 is 7. And when n equal to 2, value of the expression is 3 divided by 4, and 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 2, that is 2, cancel with 4, we get 3 divided by 2. Then if n equal to 3, value of the expression 3 is 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 3, that is 3 multiplied with 3 is 9, 9 divided by 4. When n equal to 0, value of the expression is 3 divided by 4 multiplied with 0, that is 0. And when n equal to 1, value of the expression is 3 divided by 4 multiplied with n equal to 3 divided by 4. Seventh bit, 100 n square minus 19. When n equal to 2, value of the expression is 100 multiplied with 2 square minus 19. 2 square is 4, 4 multiplied with 100 is 400. 400 minus 19 is 381. When n equal to 3, value of the expression is 100 n square. 100 multiplied with 3 square minus 19. 3 square is 9, 9 multiplied with 100 is 900, 900 minus 19 is 881. When n equal to 0, value of the expression is 100 multiplied with 0 square is 0, 0 minus 19 is minus 19. And when n equal to 1, value of the expression is 100 n square. 100 multiplied with 1 square is 100 minus 19 is 81. When we evaluate the expression, just substitute the value of the variable in the given expression and we get the value of the expression. Now we will solve question number 2. Question number 2 is, if a equal to 5, b equal to 6 and c equal to 10, then find the value of, first bit is 3c divided by a. We have to substitute the value of c and a in the expression 3c divided by a. We get 3c is 3 multiplied with 10, c is 10 given, 3 multiplied with 10 divided by 5. 3 multiplied by 10 is 30, 30 divided by 5 is 6. Then second bit AB divided by C. Substitute the value of A, B and C in the expression, we get AB is 5 multiplied with 6 divided by 10. 5 multiplied with 6 is 30, 30 divided by 10 is 3. Third bit A plus B divided by C minus A. A plus B is 5 plus 6 divided by C minus A is 10 minus 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 divided by 5. Fourth bit 6c minus 2ab. 6 multiplied with c is 10. 6 multiplied with 10 minus 2 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 6. 6 multiplied with 10 is 60. 60 minus 2 multiplied with 5 is 10. 10 multiplied with 6 is 60. 60 minus 60 is 0. Now we will solve question number 3. Question number 3 is, if a equal to 6 and x equal to 2, find the value of this expression. First bit is a plus 6x divided by 5a minus 3x. Substitute the value of a, x in the expression, we get a plus 6x will be a is 6, 6 plus 6 multiplied with 2 divided by 5a minus 3x will be 5 multiplied with 6 minus 3 multiplied with 2. 6 plus 6 multiplied with 2 is 6 plus 12. 6 plus 12 is 18 and 5 multiplied with 6 is 30. 30 minus 6. 30 minus 6 is 24. 80 divided by 24 will be, we have to 80 divided by 24, this we have to reduce this into simplest form. 18 divide 18 and 24 with 6, we get 18 divided by 6 is 3 and 24 divided by 6 is 4. 3 divided by 4. Second bit 2ax plus 7x minus 10 divided by 4ax minus 3a minus 2. This is the expression and we have to evaluate this expression for value of a equal to 6 and x equal to 2. Substitute value of a and x, that is a equal to 6 and x equal to 2 in the expression, we get 2ax plus 7x minus 10 will be 2 multiplied with 6 multiplied with 2 plus 7 multiplied with 2 minus 10. 2 multiplied with 6 is 12. 12 multiplied with 2 is 24. 24 plus 7 multiplied with 2 is 14. 14 minus 10. 24 plus 14 is 38 minus 10 is 28, and denominator is 4ax minus 3a minus 2. 4 multiplied with 6 multiplied with 2 minus 3 multiplied with 6 minus 2. 4 multiplied with 6 multiplied with 2 will be 4 multiplied with 6 is 24. 24 multiplied with 2 is 48, and 3 multiplied with 6 is 18. 48 minus 18 minus 2. 48 minus 18 is 30. 30 minus 2 is 28. So we get 28 divided by 28, that is 1. Now we will solve question number 4. Question number 4 is evaluate. First bit is PQ multiplied with P plus 3, which is inside the parenthesis, plus R. For P equal to 2, Q equal to 3, and R equal to minus 1. Substitute the value of P, Q and R in the expression. We get PQ multiplied with P plus 3 plus R equal to P is 2, 2 multiplied with Q is 3, 2 multiplied with 3 multiplied with P plus 3 is 2 plus 3 plus R is minus 1. 2 multiplied with 3 is 6, 6 multiplied with 2 plus 3 is 5, 6 multiplied with 5 is 30, 30 minus 1 is 29. The value of the expression PQ multiplied with P plus 3 plus R is 29. Second bit, 12P multiplied with Q minus R for P equal to 1, Q equal to 4 and R equal to minus 2. Substitute the value of the variable P equal to 1, Q equal to 4 and R equal to minus 2 in the expression 12P multiplied with Q minus R. We get 12P multiplied with Q minus R equal to 12 multiplied with P is 1, 12 multiplied with 1 multiplied with Q is 4, 4 minus R is minus 2, minus of minus 2, 4 minus of minus 2 is 4 plus 2, 12 multiplied with 1 is 12, 12 multiplied with 4 plus 2, 12 multiplied with 6, 12 multiplied with 6 is 72. So value of the expression 12P multiplied with Q minus R is 72. Now we evaluate the expression of third bit. Third bit is 1 minus x plus y for x equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 7. Substitute the value of the variable x equal to minus 2 and y equal to minus 7 in the expression 1 minus x plus y. 1 minus x plus y equal to 1 minus of x is minus 2. 1 minus of minus 2 plus minus 7. 1 minus of minus 2 is 1 plus 2 minus 7. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So value of the expression 1 minus x plus y is minus 4. Fourth bit, a minus b multiplied with b minus c. A minus b is inside the bracket and b minus c is also inside the bracket. For a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 5 and c equal to minus 8. Substitute the value of the variable a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5 and c equal to minus 8 in the expression a minus b multiplied with b minus c. We get a minus b multiplied with b minus c equal to 2 minus of b is minus 5. 2 minus of minus 5 is 2 plus 5 and b minus c will be b is minus 5 minus of c is minus 8. Minus 5 minus of minus 8 minus 5 plus 8. 2 plus 5 is 7 multiplied with minus 5 plus 8 is 3. 7 multiplied with 3 is 21. 21 is the value of the expression a minus b multiplied with b minus c. Now we evaluate the expression of fifth bit. Fifth bit is 8 multiplied with m plus n minus mn for m equal to 2 and n equal to 5. Substitute the value of the variable m equal to 2 and n equal to 5 in the expression 8 multiplied with m plus n minus mn. We get 8 multiplied with m plus n minus mn equal to 8 multiplied with m plus n is 2 plus 5. 8 multiplied with 2 plus 5 is 2 plus 5 is 7. 8 multiplied with 7 minus mn is 2 multiplied with 5. 8 multiplied with 7 minus 10. 8 multiplied with 7 is 56. 56 minus 10 is 46. So 46 is the value of the expression 8 multiplied with m plus n minus mn. Now we solve question number 5. Question number 5 is the value of a square plus 2a minus 3 for a equal to 2 is first option is 11, second option B is 6, third option C is 5 and fourth option D is 4. These are the options given. Substituting the value of the variable a equal to 2 in the expression a square plus 2a minus 3, we get a square plus 2a minus 3 equal to a square is 2, 2 square plus 2 multiplied with a is 2, 2 multiplied with 2 minus 3. 2 square is 4, 4 plus 4 minus 3, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 minus 3 is 5. So value of the expression a square plus 2a minus 3 for a equal to 2 is 5. So option C is correct. Value of a square plus 2a minus 3 for a equal to 2 is 5. Now we solve question number 6. Question number 6 is evaluate x divided by 5 plus 2x for x equal to 10. Options given are first option A is 12, second option B is 22, third option C is 24 and fourth option D is 14 given. We have to substitute the value of the variable x equal to 10 in the expression x divided by 5 plus 2x. We get x divided by 5 plus 2x equal to x is 10. 10 divided by 5 plus 2 multiplied with 10. 10 divided by 5 is 2. 2 plus 2 multiplied with 10 is 20. 2 plus 20 is 22. So value of the expression x divided by 5 plus 2x is 22. So option B is correct. So value of x divided by 5 plus 2x for x equal to 10 is 22. Now we solve question number 7. Question number 7 is which expression is not equal to 18? Options given are first option is 2t, t equal to 9. Substitute the value of t equal to 9 in the expression 2t. 2 multiplied with 9 is 18. 18 which is equal to the value which is equal to 18. 18 equal to 18. So this is not correct. Second bit B. T minus 5 t equal to 23. Substitute the value of t equal to 23 in the expression t minus 5 will be t minus 5 equal to t is 23, 23 minus 5 is 18. 18 which is equal to 18 the value of the expression. So this is also incorrect. Now we solve question number third bit C, option C. That is given expression is 3t plus 3 and t equal to 5. Substitute t equal to 5 in the expression 3t plus 3. We get 3t plus 3 equal to 3 multiplied with 5 plus 3. 3 multiplied with 5 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 18 equal to 18. So which is equal to the value of the expression, that is 18. So this is also incorrect. Fourth option D. 90 divided by 3 t equal to 5. substitute the value of t equal to 5 in the expression 90 divided by 3. We get 90 divided by 3 is 9 multiplied with 5 divided by 3. 9 multiplied with 5 is 45. 45 divided by 3 is 15. 15 which is not equal to the value of the expression, that is 18. So this is correct. So option D is correct. Option D is 15 which is not equal to 18. Now we solve a word problem. Question number 8. Now we solve question number 8. Question number 8 is a word problem. Question number 8 is, your mother says to calculate your pocket money, multiply your age by itself and then double it. If your age is x years, write an algebraic expression representing your pocket money. First, let your age be x years. Then according to the verbal expression of calculating the pocket money given is your age multiplied by itself, that is multiply your age by itself, that is your age multiplied with your age, then double it means multiply with 2. Your age multiplied with your age multiplied with 2. Your age is x year, so x multiplied with x multiplied with x is x square multiplied with 2 is 2x square years. So value also algebraic expression representing your pocket money is 2x square years. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.